Good morning, Primary 5. I'm Mrs. Ola. Our lesson today will be Lesson 1 and 2 from Unit 4, Probability. What meant by probability? The number of chances that something will happen. The number of chances that something will happen. What is the probability that you go to the school trip? What is the probability that when you draw a card, it's an even number? What is the probability when you play with coin to get head or tail? What is the probability that something will happen? It's called probability. Okay, we have two types of probability: experimental or theoretical. Okay, here we have some important definition. Experiment. Experiment means an action that has outcome. An action which has outcome called experiment. Sample space. What meant by sample space? It's a set of all possible outcome of an experiment. All possible outcome of an experiment called the sample space. Like when I say, what is the sample space when you draw a coin? It's a head or tail. What is the sample space when you draw a dice? It's the number from 1 to 6. This is what called sample space. Event. Any subset from this sample space. What is the event to have head? Head here is an event. What is the event of when you go to school trip? It's an event. Okay. Prediction of an event. The prediction of an event. To get this prediction, we multiply the probability of this event by the number of trials. When you get the probability half, you make this number of trials 30 times or 100 times. When you multiply the probability of this event by the number of trials, you get the prediction of this event. The sum of probabilities of all outcome of the sample space equal 1. Okay, the probability of head when you draw a coin is half, and the probability of tail is half. When you make half plus half, the answer will be 1. Okay, so the probability of all sample space always equal 1. The probability that an event doesn't happen. When I say the probability that you go to school today will be 0.6. So what is the probability that you don't go to the school or not going to the school? It will be 1 minus 0.6. It will be 0.4. So the probability that the event not happen, it will be 1 minus the probability of the event itself. Okay, we have three types of event: impossible event, possible event, and certain event. What meant by impossible event? Impossible, something that will not happen. The probability of impossible event always equal 0. Okay, possible event, maybe it happen or may not. Okay, you may go to school today or not. You may get to school trip or not. So this the probability of this event is between 0 and 1. Certain or sure event. The probability of sure event is equal 1. This event sure will be happen. Okay, when you're tossing a coin, what is the probability of getting head? It's 1 over 2 or half. You have two outcome, head or tail. So the probability as head is 1 over this 2. It's half. And the probability of tail, it will be also 1 over 2 or half. Also remember that you put the probability in its simplest form. Okay, if you a regular die or dice rolled 1, find the probability of getting an even number. Okay, the number in die or the sample space of die is the number between 1 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, what is the probability to get even number? What is the even number in die? It will be 2, 4, and 6. 3 number out of 6. It will be 3 over 6. When you simplify, you will divide both number by 3. 3 divided 3 equal 1, and 6 divided 3 equal 2. So the answer will be half. You must put it in its simplest form. What is the probability of getting number 4? How many number 4 in die? It's only 1. 1 over 6. Okay. What is the probability to getting number more than 6? There is no number more than 6 on dice, so the probability will be 0. Okay. An even prime number. What is the even prime number? It's only 2. So it's 1 over the 6. The number divisible by 3. Okay. What is the number divisible by 3 or found in timetable 3? It will be 3 and 6. 2 out of 6 outcome. So when you divide both number by 2, it will be 1 over 3. Number less than 1. There is no number less than 1 in die, so the answer will be 0. Now, he told you a bag contained 5 white balls, 9 red, and 6 black. All the balls are identical. Identical means the same. Okay? If one ball drawn randomly, what is the probability that the drawn ball is? Okay? Here you have a box of balls. All of them are identical. Okay? And you will draw one ball of this box. Okay? To get the probability, you must know what is the sum of balls inside this box. You have 5 white, 9 red, and 6 black. 5 plus 9 plus 6, the answer will be 20. You must get the sum of balls or the sum of outcomes. Okay, what is the probability to get black 1? Okay, it's 6 out of 20, 6 over 20. Divide both this number, divide 2, okay, it's an even number, so 6 divided 2, the answer will be 3, and 20 divided 2, the answer will be 10. Red 1, okay, you have 9 red balls out of 20, it's 9 over 20. Okay, 9 over 20 in its simplest form, there is no common table between 9 and 20. Red or black. Red or black mean red and black. Red plus black. Okay, how many red ball here? 9. And how many black? 6. 9 plus 6 equal 15. 15 over 20. Okay, 15 and 20, this both number found in timetable 5. All the number which has unit digit 0 or 5 found in timetable 5. 15 divided 5 equals 3, and 20 divided 5 equals 4. Not white. What is the probability to get not white? Not white mean any color except the white. Okay, you have 5 white balls, so you will say 20 minus this 5, the remainder will be 15. 15 over 20, when you put it in simplest form, the answer will be 3 over 4. What is the probability to get yellow 1? There is no yellow color in this box, so the answer will be 0. Okay, now in slide number 7, another exercise. A spinner is divided into 6 equal sections. 3 green, 2 red, and 1 white. Okay, you have 6 equal sections. 3 of them are green, 2 red, and 1 white. What is the probability that the spinner stopped at red? You have 2 red out of 6. Okay, so it will be 2 over 6. When you simplify it, divided both number by 2, the answer will be 1 over 3. If the spinner, if we're spinning the spinner 6 times, how many times are predicted to stop at green? Okay, we said the prediction of any event will be the probability multiplied by the number of trials. Okay, now what is the probability to get the green section? It will be 3 out of 6. We have three green parts out of 6, so it will be 3 over 6. When you put it in simplest form, it will be 1 over 2. So the prediction of this event will be half multiply 60. Half multiply 60 equal 30 times. Okay. Another slide. A card has been randomly drawn out of 10 cards numbered from 1 to 10. Find the probability of getting. You have cards have a number from 1 to 10. He asked you, what is the probability to get odd number? Okay, from 1 to 10, what is the odd number here? It will be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, we have 5 odd number. 5 out of 10, we will divide both number by 5, it will be half. What is the probability of get prime number? What is the prime number here? 2, 3, 5, and 7. Can you write 9? No, 9 not prime. So it will be 4 over 10. 4 over 10, 4 and 10 is even number. So divide both of them by 2. The answer will be 2 over 5. What is the probability to get even number greater than 6? What is the even number greater than 6 here? It's 8 and 10. So 2 outcome of 10. 2 over 10 divided both number by 2, it's 1 over 5. Okay, what is the probability to get number more than 10? There is no number more than 10 here, so the probability is equal 0. Okay, you must write the probability as a number. Don't write impossible. You must write it 0. Probability is number or fraction. Complete the following. If the probability of winning a match is 0.7, so what is the probability of losing this match? Okay, we said the probability of the event not happen is 1 minus the event. Okay, so 1 minus 0.7, the answer will be 0.3. When tossing a die, what is the probability of appearing odd number? What is the odd number on die? It will be 1, 3, and 5. 3 out of 6, so when it's simplified, it will be half. It's that the student go to school trip. It's so he using possible, certain, or impossible. Going to school trip, may he go or not? So it's possible. The probability of impossible event equal 0. The sum of all possible events equal 1. So that was our lesson today. Thank you for your time and goodbye.